How to sell crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sell crypto on Kraken. In order to sell crypto on Kraken, you have to first of all make sure that the account is verified, and then to begin with, you need to log in into your Kraken account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page, go ahead and tap on the trade icon from the top right hand side corner. On the other page, you need to select the asset that you wish to sell. Accordingly, select the network type as well. Here, go ahead and enter in the exact amount and then the price, market and all that, and click on the sell button located right at the bottom. Now on the other field, you need to once again go ahead and tap on new order in the top and then go to market and just go through all of these and make changes with it. Lastly, you'll have to confirm all of these by filling out the form and then scroll down right to the bottom. If you're sure about it, click the sell button. As you do that, it's going to take approximately 15 to 10 minutes in order to complete the transaction, and after that you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully sold crypto on Kraken. So that's how you can sell crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.